Loud.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. How old are you?
10.
10. Inshallah, next year you will be 11 by the will of Allah.
Inshallah.
Did I count right? MashaAllah. Okay, let's go.
I went to Umrah.
MashaAllah.
I have a quick question and answer.
Okay. You have a question and an answer. Okay, that's good.
Just need you to modify it.
Yes.
Ramadan is a generous month.
Yes.
This month has a lot of sacrifices.
Allah. May Allah bless you, strengthen you.
A lot of people die in this month.
A lot of people die in Ramadan.
And sometimes you cannot see your other Ramadan. You shouldn't be scared of that because we all know where we're going to go. Inshallah, Jannat al-Firdaus. May Allah grant us all to Jannat al-Firdaus.
Ameen.
And may Allah bring us to all the good deeds we have.
Ameen.
And I'm wishing to be a scholar like you, inshallah.
Inshallah, better than me, inshallah.
Inshallah, ya Rabbi. And may Allah give us all zakat. May Allah bring us to the best we can, inshallah, to our best modifying.
Ameen.
And a lot of people stand up for you. And a lot of people are trying to be willing to stand up for you and trying to do the best as we can. May Allah bring us all to the right path, inshallah.
Ameen, ameen, ameen. How was your Umrah? How was your Umrah?
Alhamdulillah, I kissed the stone.
You kissed the stone. You're so fortunate. I was in Umrah last week, and trust me, the whole week, and I did not manage to kiss the stone. Look at the favor of Allah upon you, mashallah.
I kissed the Yemeni corner.
Mashallah. Allah bless you.
And
Wow.
I'm happy now.
May Allah bless you and grant you happiness.